Hi, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the weekly Crypto Tech Review. This week we'll be looking at Bitcoin and Ripple's XRP. We'll be looking at the MACDs, the moving averages, and the week's support, resistance and pivot levels. This is the tech analysis for the week ending October the 25th. Jumping straight into Bitcoin against the US dollar, choppy start to the week on Monday morning, rising to an early morning high 11,550 before falling back into the red. So key through the early part of the week will be for Bitcoin to avoid a fall through the pivot at 11,456 to support a run at the first major resistance level that is sitting at 11,802. Going to need to see support from the broader market for Bitcoin to break out from last Monday's high 11,740. So barring an extended rally through the week, expect last week's high and the first major resistance level at 11,802 to pin Bitcoin back. In the event of a breakout, should see Bitcoin test resistance at 12,000 before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 12,085. A fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level sitting at 11,173 into play. Barring an extended sell-off through the week, Bitcoin should steer clear of sub 11,000 levels and the second major support level sitting at 10,827. Look at the MACD, we're seeing a narrowing of the bullish histograms through last week and the early part of this morning, suggestive of a bearish first half of the week. Looking at the EMAs, however, we are seeing the 50 EMA pull away marginally from the 100 and the 200, supportive of some upside in the day ahead and through the early part of the week. So nothing conclusive there. Key through the early part of the week, therefore, will be to avoid a fall through the pivot and move back through the morning high, Monday morning high 11,550 to then bring resistance levels into play. Moving across to Ripple's XRP against the US dollar, range bound start to the morning here. Going to need to see Ripple's XRP move through the pivot at 0.2467 to support a run at the first major resistance level at 0.2555. Going to need to see support from the broader market for Ripple's XRP to break back through to 0.255 levels, however. So barring an extended rally through the week, expect that first major resistance level to pin Ripple's XRP back. In the event of an extended rally, should see Ripple's XRP move back through to 0.26 levels. Second major resistance level at 0.2688 should cap any upside, however. Failure to move through the pivot would bring the first major support level at 0.2333 into play. Barring an extended sell-off on the day, Ripple's XRP should stay clear of sub 0.23 levels and the second major support level at 0.2245. Looking at the MACD, got a widening of the bearish histograms following the midweek bearish cross last week, supportive of some downside through the early part of the week. Looking at the EMA, we're also seeing the 50 narrow on the 100 and the 200, also suggestive of a bearish move through the early part of the week. So failure to move through the pivot level would bring the first major support level at 0.2333 into play.